Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I have a really sweet birthday card and it's with a mouse. It's a really cute country mouse, and I paired it with colors of pattern paper, Copic markers, distress oxide ink blending, and just some solid pattern paper. And I tried to coordinate it all really with the background paper that is by Unity. So for the stamping, I have tiny Buckaroo, and that's the mouse, and it's got some really cute sentiments with it. Scallops and Arches nesting dies, and Barnyard Blowout paper pack. It's 6x6. And so I like the plaid in this one, so I'm using it. And all the coloring is inspired by the background, with the exception of I added some tans and browns for the mouse. And then the clothing, you'll see I'll start to try to match the paper, the blue, mostly the blue. I love that dark navy accent in there, so I added navy strips of paper and craft color paper to just kind of build all the colors and bring them into the mouse scene. So I stamped the mouse and the sentiment onto white cardstock. I die cut it with the scallop dies, and then I started coloring with just different shades that I thought would match using Copic markers. And I stamped with Copic friendly ink, and this is it's really easy to do. There's not much coloring, small areas, and it looks like just what I was going for anyway. And so this little arch is going to be the focal point for the card, and you'll see I'll layer up the card with different colors as well, just in different patterns. And so this is almost done here. I just thought it needed a little something else, so I added some distress oxide ink. Let's see, that is vintage photo, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, vintage photo. And then I come around with broken china on the top part. So the bottom part, I sort of thought it needed a grounding area, maybe like a wall or something that he's standing on. And then the sentiments on the bottom of that. And then the sky and a light blue with the blue distress ink blending. And I use small blending brushes for that area because it's a small space. And then this is where I'm building the background. I just am adding flat double-sided tape to some solid cardstock with the colors again in the background, the navy blue and a craft color there. I made a flag just by cutting the edges in the center, made a flag. I know Angela likes to do that technique, and it's so easy to do. You don't really need any dies for this bottom part. You don't need dies at all. I use my paper trimmer to trim the pattern paper just shy of the size of an A2 card front. I left it just a little smaller than a full A2 size. I just trimmed it with my paper trimmer and added it with double-sided tape, flat double-sided tape. Now the mouse piece is attached with a red foam, very thin foam, double-sided tape. I hope you like it and give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.